out somewhere. Pupunta kami.
It's
to
raining.
do some errands.
It's
and
raining so much.
It's raining so hard.
Yes.
And we're gonna tour you around the city.
Actually, tour you around Cebu. Actually, no,
Danao City, yes.
yeah.
So let's go, guys. Let's see what the rain's got. Okay, let's be careful because we are going to.
It's raining, man.
It's raining.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, this time. It's raining.
We're about to cross the road to the other side. Libreng sakay. Ah, this is the one with libreng sakay, mami.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Yeah. You know, guys, in Philippines, there are some buses who are free or for free to ride.
That's good.
Yeah. So, there you go. There's a rescue there. I don't know what happened. There's some rescue people. I will show you guys the area where if there's a heavy rainfall, it's gonna flood easily. It's nearby our house. Wow, this is Philippines.
Rain, rain.
So, no overtaking, please.
Actually, right at this time, it's just 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And
supposed
it's
to be-
already raining. So,
It's supposed to be my school, but I can do it anytime because it's weather.
Yeah.
yeah.
Brazil is just doing the freckle thing. So they're done with their glasses. So yan guys, libreng sakay din yung yellow bus. So that's the seaside. This is where exactly, mami? It gets flooded easily, see? That,
This one here?
yeah.
Okay. Only this part here?
Yeah, it's gonna be very deep because it's slope from that hill.
Okay.
So I think the rain slowed down, yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna stop anytime soon.
This is Barangay Look, Danao City. So we're going to do something before we open our shop. Wow. It's supposed to be very hot at this time without rain. Oh God. You'll be sweating. But now it's so nice and calm and relaxing. I love rain. What about you, Zil?
Little bit.
Really?
Yeah, because I don't want to get sick.
Oh, that's enough.
But I love playing in the rain when it's not heavy.
I love rain, all types of rain. Heavy, light, medium.
How about the hurricane? You like hurricanes? They come from rain.
Well, it's dangerous. It has wind on it. We're talking about rain only.
Do you know a tornado comes from very big stars?
Yeah, it is.
It comes from lightning.
So people are, dancing in the rain here in Philippines, literally.
Yeah. Literally. Sure. Next one.
you call this one, Mami? This type of transport?
Sikad-sikad.
Yeah. It's a padjak in Tagalog, I think. Padjak. There we go. We're in Prince right now.
Cebu, right?
Gonna go to Cebu first or?
Yeah.
First stop is Cebu.
Actually, we're going to Cebu, guys, to submit our electricity application to the technician. So, my sister can finally connect the power and use the electricity there. So, even if it's raining, we have to go.
I think I have the number of that guy, Lyndon.
Yeah.
Lyndon.
Let's see.
Lyndon, electrician. Yeah, I have. Shall I call or?
Later na lang kung wala siya dito.
Yeah, this turning. Go ahead. Faith, Angel, Faith. Oh, there is wellness center. Free for 90 days. It's nice. It's a gym, I think.
Maybe.
Luna Tribe Pet Shop. Where's the pet shop here?
Why?
I want to buy ropes for Rack and Coco.
Huh?
The tali for Rack and Coco ba?
Okay. Actually, I asked Mama Alin already. And she's sending that one and clothes for them.
So which street is this one? Tour us around.
This is Tuburan. Going to Tuburan.
You're Lumad here.
Yeah. This way is going to Tuburan, guys. So this is where the Siteko is.
This is the
So I
back
hope
of
this guy is there. Magbayad na tag electricity daddy?
update today.
Pwede na. 6 to 16 months.
Yeah, we can. Since we're already here. So there's nobody, so it's okay.
Alright, so here we go, guys. We have reached our destination and we're just gonna get inside to do my stuff.
See you around later.
Bye for now. Yeah! Hello
Yeah.
again, guys!
Hello.
Tapos na po kami dun sa kailangan namin sa Sibeco. So, nakapagbayad na din kami ng kuryente. So, we're good for the last month's bill.
Yeah.
This time, saan tayo pupunta?
He still wants to eat lunch.
Yeah, we're hungry, guys. So, it's already past 1 and we still don't have lunch.
Yeah.
And that's why we're hungry. So,
We're going
you
to
do?
go to the restaurant.
Okay. So, we're gonna find somewhere where we can have our lunch.
I want to go to that one.
Where?
Calamaris.
The Calamaris?
Yeah.
Where's that?
And Tabuklo.
Where the USA was.
USA?
The USA, the Burj Khalifa stuff.
Ah, over there in Sands.
Yeah.
No, not that one. We're craving for
Dinuguan.
So we're gonna go to where? In
That restaurant in Bonifacio, I think.
yeah, it's called what's that? Roxanne, in Roxanne. So we're gonna go to
You got a good
Roxanne.
food there.
It's yeah. They have good foods there.
It's only
And-
Bonifacio corner. Which corner is that?
Yes. Bonifacio Street. So it's the corner of
Go Danao.
yeah.
Go taga Danao.
I don't know. I don't know exactly the place. Anyway guys, we're gonna show you the way to Roxanne.
So we're here in the terminal.
Yeah, so we're here now in Terminal.
This is JP Rizal Street. We're in JP Rizal Street. So we're gonna go straight now.
Yeah. I'm gonna go straight.
So the terminal is on the right.
I really want to do the video.
I think if I'm not mistaken, this street is called
Rizal.
This is Rizal?
Yeah.
Okay. So Jimmy is better than me guys here in Danao.
This is Mabini.
Yeah, this one here is not in this crossing here.
On the Rizal Road, you reach the crossing, you go straight. First intersection, you go straight, and then another intersection on Bonifacio here.
I can see here, so I'm gonna take right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take right, Bonifacio.
And that's the one, the corner, to your left.
Then the church place in the Dinuguan.
Okay. So Jimmy is gonna go first guys to ask if they have Dinuguan, and then we're gonna get inside after that. So Daddy is already inside to check if Dinuguan is available. While waiting, I'm with this boy, and you wanna talk about something. What is that?
I forgot.
So how are you here so far in Danao?
So good.
So good? Yeah, but oh, there is. Wow, there's Dinuguan, guys. So Jimmy is here now. There is?
Yes!
So our craving is available, guys. And yeah, let's get inside now.
I really want to pee.
Sure.
Yes. So this place cooks nice food, guys. It's a very special place. So there we go. We're like entering in our own house. We'll see you around. So this is the interior. This side. And that's the food.
Pero guys, ang foods diri sa Roxanne. Ay, dugo na ay tinola na no? Tinolang chicken, yun. Oo. Ano po na isda? May kare-kare,
Why are they extra plato?
Gani kayo nilang foods diri guys. Dugay na kayo ni sila din hinag ano. Wala si Madam, hindi diri sa Roxanne. Say hi na. Oh. Sila mo kayo sila na.
85 minutes, 85 minutes.
1985 mo. Oh, congratulations. Oo.
Okay.
So, muna lang foods guys for today. Available for today. Mga labihan na foods. Okay, sige. Mga sa me. Yan guys. Among cravings kahapon. Among paunon karon. So, please join us.
Yeah.
Inanila ni kasimple lang ilang paan guys. Lugar. Air conditioned na sad siya.
Smells.
Night fan. And yeah, the pita. And these boys.
We're hungry boys.
The hungry boys.
Wait, Sana, because we're gonna pray first. So that's the food. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And this is the Lord, who saves you, mercy. From the bounty, for example.
Yay!
Yeah.
Making satisfied. Dinuguan. This one.
This is your organ.
Kare-kare.
Wait, wait.
And this is kagaritang kambing.
Yeah.
Let's eat guys.
I think this is delicious.
I think I know how to do it. How about this? Ano ikaw?
What do we have?
Try this dinuguan. Sarap ng guys.
Yeah.
Ano na? Ano yung dinuguan guys?
Yeah.
Craving satisfied.
Everything is nice. Did he have it? Cool. Hi.
Kali-kali guys.
Nag-om. Wait, saan ka rin?
Wow, gami lang kayo.
Which one?
Ito lang sa siya ang dinuguan.
Hindi ka ba? Huh?
Next time. How was it? You like?
No.
It's okay. This time we will not give it up. What do you want?
This one, okay?
Yes, only.
Okay. Doesn't like that too.
You know that milk na.
Okay, it's
If you have everything here.
let's change it. I'll take all of this. I'll take this one. The fried rice.
Also, what more?
What?
And you know,
Good. Curry is nice. Better than inside. He likes caldereta. But she says it's a big Bisaya boy.
Lami. Lami tayo.
You want more rice na?
No.
Teka, sama ka rice. Thank you. He likes caldereta.
Good. Sige, sige. Nagpulog ka.
No.
Wala.
Kapsoy dapat. Kaya balik ako, hindi naman rice. Kung saan kapsoy rice, okay? Kung saan? Makanin lang. Don't get rice na lang. Guys, this not allowed to eat a lot of rice.
Especially white rice.
Yeah.
Actually, no white rice for me.
But
But I want to eat more. What is the name? Gulay? Gulay. Yeah. It's like a chopsay daw.
oh my God.
Diba?
Ang dami. I asked the owner, she's the one 15 years old, and she said it's possible. But she's also doing the cooking with a cook.
That's all.
So guys, it's 2 down, and that, I love rice.
You like the first one?
So, since you're in high school, did you this restaurant over here? Since high school or elementary? Did you come here with your date before?
Better for the camera.
Really?
Yeah. But there's two there also.
But it's not obvious that it's a restaurant from outside.
Hindi na bago. Ano pinang kain guys?
Yeah. Super.
Ano ba na?
Very good. Very good.
Oh my god, that's cold. Because it's cold.
Take that. Yeah.
What else, sir?
Wala na rin mas.
That's the reason guys, anong galing ko na ako. This recipe na, this menu na, that is eliminated at home.
This guy is a monster eater.
We're drinking cold water.
Again,
Wipe your face with a tissue.
two pigs on the seat. So let you lie around to you.
All the way down guys, as you can see. Itawag nila ang food studio. Especially dinuguan, yung balik na next time, right? And especially Yuzi loves the caldereta, and me and Daddy loves the kare also, so this will be the 3 sets that we're going to order. Let's come back here next time.
Do you know where's the first restaurant in New Zealand? It's our kitchen. Our kitchen. Daddy's cooking and Mommy's cooking. Can we get this pizza?
Oh, yung trainer na ako.
You ask
Ano
him.
na po ba?
Ask him. Here's our table. No. Ask him. Yeah, that's right. Now it's okay. You should guys try to.
Ask the chicken, Bisayas. toothpick na.
Nahamay ko din.
Tubig ang hindi mo.
Sila, tara sa ito. Sorry. Close nila na. Isa tubig.
Thank you. We paid 335. So, manilang prices guys, if you want to know how much ang awang gitaon.
So we're going now to
Diba?
Metro Bank to follow up something. So this is where
This is the way to Metro Bank.
we're going. So we're entering the national road,
We're
highway.
entering the Danao City then. That's the national road. We would left.
Golden Bridge straight in Cebu.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's such a big truck van coming up. Dingers. It's dingers.
Pieces.
Come on, guys. You can pass here.
6.
Slowly. Yep. Here we go. So there's always a nice bright day after the rain. We're here, so mommy will come out and we'll just gonna double park here.
Oh, good.
Oh, they removed the ATM.
There is.
They changed the location. There. Alright.
Bye.
Bye. Hello, guys.
We're heading home.
Yeah, so
so-
that's enough for today. Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you all in the next vlog today.
Today?
Today or
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So thank you for
or
watching.
next time.
Next
Or-
time, yes.
Thank you guys for watching.
We're just-
Oh wait, guys.
Stay safe.
We're just showing you the rains in
Guys.
Philippines and our day-to-day lives. So
Guys,
thank you
today
for...
we're just going. I forgot to tell you. In the future, we're going to the hotel and we're going to show you that in the next vlog.
Yeah, that's
That
nice.
will be this
That's a
month,
teaser.
guys. So that's a
Yes.
teaser. Alright, so thank you once again for watching. Stay safe and God bless.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.